Luxury battle of 2026, car or jet? What if I told you the new Mercedes S-Class doesn't just drive, it flies on the road? Let's step inside and see why this car feels like a private jet with wheels. The moment you enter the 2026 S-Class, you realize this isn't just another car. The cockpit? It's futuristic, with holographic displays floating in front of you, just like a private jet's command center. Everything feels alive, touch, gesture, even voice, the car responds instantly. Then there's the AI chauffeur mode. Imagine this, you sit back, the car takes over, and it drives with the precision of an elite pilot. It scans roads, traffic, and even predicts what's ahead. It's like autopilot, but on land, smoother, safer, and smarter than any human driver. And the comfort? Next level. The seats don't just recline, they adapt to your body with built-in massage functions tailored to your stress points. Close your eyes, and you could swear you're sitting in first class, 30,000 feet above ground. Except here, you're gliding across the highway. Mercedes didn't stop there. The cabin lighting shifts with your mood, the sound system feels like a live concert, and every surface screams elegance. It's less of a car, more of a flying lounge. So here's the question, if you had the choice, would you rather sit in first class on a private jet, or in the driver's seat of the S-Class 2026? Drop your answer in the comments, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more futuristic rides every week.